that was just, if we weren't out on the ocean, but it was so, the water was so choppy that day, it was like, no. And then another time, before he was born,
we're very happy about it. Yeah, of course.
And I went to Greece with my mom, and he's got,
I wish I heard that
of course,
last
he's
song
still between the islands.
I know, me too.
Of course, he's got,
Fill his house with a...
They do it every year, right? Right when he goes down.
Come on.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Fill his house for whatever you want to drink.
How's it going? Welcome aboard.
Okay, hi.
She's getting the peanut cantaloupe. Sure, exactly. I love it.
You know, there's Silver Irish I used to work on.
What's it?
The Silver Irish, the one that's
Yeah, that's
yeah,
too.
it was so
Right.
like,
Yeah, that's cool.
didn't get all of it done in time, but at least I got you somewhat.
Yeah. So, it's back in service, but
Yeah, looks good. We were in the morning.
yeah, sweet. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Just get a little spoiled running in the Acoma car. I've done that twice now. I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to live in that car.
I've been in that car a couple times, but I've never ridden it. That's one thing I've never ridden it.
Yeah.
We had an Abaco convention downtown in Albuquerque with Santa Fe.
Okay. You live in Albuquerque or are you guys
Albuquerque.
here?
Albuquerque.
Nice.
Well, we put
Did you
our
make it?
moves
No.
on paper,
Family?
and we lit it up and watched it fly.
Hey, who's doing the black card? You can always, you have the geology knowledge, I don't. Okay, and that's mostly what I know. Okay, cool. I talk with humans there, so we can always get offer. I can use your
I got a
product
Coke.
and do that. Alright. So yeah. I can also talk about the other conservation efforts there that we've now finally nailed down. Okay, we're only going to have...
That's a compliment.
Yeah, 10 minutes. We'll be
It
fast.
is. They said it was free, Mom.
We'll be fast.
It was complimentary.
Okay.
It was good. The lady that sat us down said it was. Yeah, if you want to get an extra one.
Oh, so this is
I don't even need it.
yes. Aren't we supposed to get a meal?
Yeah, you're supposed to get one in lamy. Yeah.
Really fun trip.
Because it's
To give little dishes out for health. Let me organize. Where are you? Little paper. Yeah, well, even little paper cups.
Hey, Mom, you have your granola bar too. Mom, you also have granola bars. Remember?
Yeah, granola bar.
Yeah, they're chocolate chips. So.
I'm gonna have a Sprite. I do have to,
Here we go. We're gonna get going now. Just leave it here, and then she'll come back and get it. Trevor, and then she'll take it to the bike. Here we go. Right on time.
Hear the whistle blowing, rise up so early in the morning. Can't you hear the captain shouting, Dinah, blow your horn. Won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow your horn.
The camera didn't record why we departed the depot.
Someone's in the kitchen, I
But I got it now.
Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Beep-bop in the aisle, beep-bop in the aisle, beep-bop in the aisle, strumming on the old guitar.
yeah, really, because nobody wants us to
We're working on this road. I don't know what's happening right now. Why are we still here?
I've seen it.
That's railroad business for you. That's sort of looking at a parking lot in the back. I don't know what's going on. Oh, the train song.
Oh, railroader, that's what's coming through right now. That's running on.
Ah, that's why. Waiting for the rail runner. This is we're on the sidecar. Okay. Now I know. The rail runner has priority.
Yes, it does. And they own the trackage.
Impressive. See, I went again and this was with my mom since a long time ago. And I'm Catholic, so we went the next day because we were the tour guide. The next day we went back on the subway system for Mass.
sort of picking up the
So
guitar
that was
players because they're looking at this stuff.
Oregon plant.
So on the way back, he's going to come out and play one.
No, I mean, I'll always remember that too because I thought I felt very fortunate that we did that. You know, that we got to do that.
You know, now we're going.
They're working on it. I know they'll restore it in due time. They are working on it.
Here we're talking about the actual Cinquetica in Santa Fe here pretty soon, since that's sort of where our roots came from.
When that tower
Let's sing
went
about
down.
that.
We have to wait for railroader to pass us before we can keep going.
Oh,
They just did.
oh.
We took the siding.
When he was about, well, maybe 8 or something.
Figure it into number 40.
Godmother was
From the South LA, that's Cinquetica and Santa Fe.
was like this kind of thing, and it was a rocket train.
He
Okay,
was told by his steam engineer.
okay, so they robbed the train.
Ready, she knows there's a way.
When they stopped kind of like this, they had lunch. But then after lunch, they had a judge saying, rob the train. Okay? So they gave him a gold.
The brown suit,
Yeah, you do.
Where is it?
Boy, he testified.
Against the judge.
Well, he testified. 8 or 9. They asked him, he was like,
I said these guys
oh, and then this was funny too, because the guys were like, they were like, you take money, right? So you have to pay over the money. And he said,
I was stubborn.
yeah, and so they were like, no, seriously, you're supposed to give over the money. And he was like, I was like, I'm not going to all right. That's right.
So down the line, figure it's into number 49. They one got us down that way on the edge of Cinquetica, Santa Fe, on the edge of Cinquetica and the Santa Fe. We have some people here from Philadelphia over there. Philadelphia out in the front over there. She says that the Zobra came from Philadelphia, so you have to talk to this lady over here. She says that we're not original, so we're going to have to figure that out over here.
Well, anyways, I saw like Chris just saying us here. You might have seen the movie back from like 1940, 1941.
Yes, we also got the
A movie called The Hardy Girls.
There's also a co-order
Bob Darlin sang that song again.
You didn't order the water.
No, yeah.
Fun kind of sing-along song.
Look at the stripe.
Santa Fe, today better known as the Burlington Northern Santa Fe, which is one of our pretty big freight lines we have in the country. So back then,
Well, I don't know how we're going to open this and split it without it falling.
I'm not going to have any. I don't want any.
From what didn't start in Atkinson,
So I
and
said,
actually never
if they
came to
just had
Santa
little
Fe.
Dixie cups
It's
instead
kind
of
of stunning here.
Just
But
pour it in a little cup.
this was back in 1879. When the railroad finally made its
Anything else
way
we can get for you? No, thank you.
Colorado and made its way finally to through the Rocky Mountains, and it looked like it was going to come to Santa Fe. And the engineers looked at the
Grab my
routes
white
and
sweater
said,
out of there.
"Oh no, that's way too difficult. That'd be way too expensive. There's so many arroyos along the routes. There's all these hills and whatnot." And like, look to our left. We're up on an embankment right now. So they looked at all this and said, "Oh no, we can't build a railroad there." So they bypassed Santa Fe entirely and went right to Albuquerque. All the citizens from our city were all like, "No, we gotta have the railroad." The railroad is a game changer. Beforehand, to get to Santa Fe, you had to come on the Santa Fe Trail, which leads you from Independence, Missouri, which is where Harry Truman is from. To get here, it's about 700 miles. It could take you 3 months in a caravan to get here, pulled by mules or oxen.
Most of the trails
Getting
go
the railroad means that now, once they build it, you can get out of here in a couple of days to New York City, and it dramatically lowers the cost of bringing people here by freight. And at the time, it's so much less here now.
You have a granola bar, Mom, if you want that.
a
You have a granola bar?
$100,000
Oh, yeah,
bond
I do have
to
a
fund
bar.
this 18-mile extension leading from what's now
Should I ask you
the
for
village of
minutes?
Lamy, which is where we're going to stop for lunch, do a little quick little tour of both downtown. It's tiny, cool village. And then the rail yard where we departed from. The rail yard, by the way, is my neighborhood. I live right there. So super excited to live in such an urban neighborhood. And 88 is when they got the railroad to open up in Santa Fe. The route we are taking today is the route of the original spur line for the AT and ESA. The first of 3 railroad trains that ran out of the rail yard. The other 2, one of them ran north from the restaurant that's now Tomasitas. You've all dined at Tomasitas before? It's really popular, kind of a brick building, it's got a Spanish food tile on it. It's like a lot of railroad buildings that you'll see all around. I was born in Sacramento, California, and we had a building just like it that is now today's spaghetti factory. So a lot of old railroad buildings can be perfect because they're valuable.
The restaurant nowadays is the station at one point. There used to be track running under the station in the restaurant. There used to be track.
Well, so that's
the old Denver River line.
The whole one that was in Mexico Central, which ran south to the center part of the state, called Little Farmers.
DFW
The
and
other
Santa
was
Fe
the
is both
Chili line, which ran north, a narrow gauge railway that went to Antonita, Colorado, which is also where the Cubas and Toltec today ends, which I'm going to do here in a couple weeks with my parents. So very excited about that. So, that's a really famous line.
Well, they
It's right
used to come
around,
here.
it's also a narrow gauge railway. They called it the Chili line because they were exporting chilies to Colorado. The chilies is such a defining part of our food. You all know our unofficial, official state question. For those of you who are, for visitors, our state. What's our official question we ask here?